Everybody online is talking about passive income, money without working, money coming into your account every day. But let's be honest for a second. Most of what you see is either fake, exaggerated, or completely unrealistic. People showing rented cars, screenshots from demo accounts, or strategies that stopped working years ago. So here's the real question. What passive income ideas actually work in 2026? Not theory, not hype, not get rich overnight. Real methods people are using right now, including beginners, to build income streams that continue paying long after the work is done. Because passive income doesn't mean doing nothing. It means doing the work once and getting paid again and again. In this video, I'm breaking down practical, clear, and realistic passive income ideas you can actually start, even if you don't have a big budget, even if you're starting from zero, and if you're not an expert. And trust me, one of these is probably closer to you than you think. Let's start with something that sounds complicated, but is actually very simple when you understand it. Imagine uploading a video today. You go to sleep. Next week, someone watches it. Next month, someone else watches it. Next year, it's still earning. That's the idea behind YouTube content income. You create videos once, and they continue generating ad revenue over time. It's not instant. It takes effort. But once videos are online, they work for you 24/7. And no, you don't need to show your face. Many people create channels using voiceovers, stock footage, animation, or edited clips. Topics like finance, productivity, AI tools, and tutorials perform extremely well because they stay relevant for years. Here's the practical part. Start by choosing a niche with demand. Research videos getting views. Make better or clearer versions, and upload consistently. The passive part happens later when your content library grows. Now pause for a second. Ask yourself this. Would you rather work once and earn repeatedly, or restart your income every single day? That mindset shift is the foundation of passive income. But maybe video creation isn't your thing. That's fine. Let's move to something equally powerful. Think about the last time you downloaded something useful online. A template, a guide, a checklist, a preset, an ebook. Someone created that once and now sells it repeatedly. Digital products are one of the clearest passive income models in today's world because there is no shipping, no inventory, no restocking. You create once, upload, and sell unlimited copies. Examples that actually work: resume templates, budget trackers, YouTube thumbnail packs, Notion planners, study notes, design assets, mini guides. You don't need to be a genius. You just need to solve a small problem. Let me tell you something important most people ignore. Simple products often sell better than complex ones. A clear, useful template beats a 200-page guide nobody finishes. Start small. Upload to marketplaces. Improve based on feedback. And over time, those small sales stack. Now here's something interesting. You might already be recommending products every day without earning anything. You tell someone about an app, a tool, a book, a website. Affiliate marketing turns those recommendations into income. The concept is simple. You get a special link. When someone buys through it, you earn commission. No product creation, no customer support, no delivery. You just connect people with solutions. This works especially well through YouTube reviews, blog posts, social media content, tutorial videos. And here's a curiosity gap for you. Some of the highest affiliate earners aren't selling expensive things. They recommend useful tools people already want. Trust builds clicks. Clicks build income. But there's a mistake beginners make. They promote everything. Don't do that. Focus on tools you actually understand and used it before. Explain clearly. Show them the real value. Because passive income built on trust lasts longer. Let's shift gears. Imagine uploading a design to a platform, a t-shirt graphic, a mug print, or a phone case idea, and never worrying about production or delivery. Print on demand makes this possible. You upload designs. Platforms handle printing. Platforms handle shipping. You earn when items sell. You don't need to be an artist. Text-based designs sell. Simple humor sells. Niche phrases sell. The practical step here isn't guessing randomly. Research trending designs. Target specific audiences. Upload consistently. And here's something many people don't realize. You're not trying to go viral. You're building a catalog. Each design is like a lottery ticket with better odds, because it stays available forever. Now let's pause again. Which of these so far sounds realistic to you? Because passive income works best when aligned with your strengths, not someone else's hype. Let's talk about something different now. Something slower, but extremely powerful. Investing. Specifically, dividend investing. This is where companies pay shareholders a portion of profits regularly. You own shares. You receive payouts. It's not fast money. It requires capital and patience, but it's one of the oldest passive income systems in existence. The practical mindset here is consistency. Small investments over time. Reinvesting earnings. Thinking long-term. Not excitement. Not gambling. Building stability. And here's a reality check. Passive income doesn't always start passive. Sometimes it starts active and becomes passive later. Online courses are a perfect example. You record lessons once, upload them, sell repeatedly. People pay for structured learning, especially when information is simplified and actionable. You don't need a university degree to teach. You just need clarity in a skill others want. Editing basics, design principles, software tutorials, language learning, productivity systems. Focus on helping beginners, because beginners are the largest audience online. Now here's something that surprises many people. Written content still generates passive income. Websites and blogs can earn through ads and affiliate links for years. Search engines continue sending readers. Articles continue earning. The practical approach is simple but consistent. Choose searchable topics. Answer real questions. Publish regularly. It's slower than social media growth, but often more stable, because traffic comes from intent, not scrolling. Let's interrupt the flow for a second with something important. If you're feeling overwhelmed, that's normal. Passive income sounds exciting, but hearing many options can feel confusing. So here's clarity. You don't need to try everything. Pick one. Commit. Build. Mastery beats scattered effort. And now, let's talk about the biggest misunderstanding. People think passive income replaces work. It doesn't. It replaces repeated work. The beginning requires learning, creating, experimenting. The reward comes later. And that delay is exactly why most people quit before results arrive. But those who stay consistent, they build assets, videos, products, designs, courses, content. Assets earn. Time alone doesn't. Let me ask you something. Imagine starting today. One small step. Where could that lead in 12 months? Because time will pass anyway. The question is whether something grows while it does. As we come toward the end of this conversation, remember this clearly. Passive income is not about escaping effort. It's about redirecting effort into systems that continue working after you stop. It's about thinking beyond today's payment, beyond today's task. It's about building something that keeps moving, even when you pause. Start simple, start small, start imperfect, but start. Because the only passive income strategy guaranteed to fail is the one never attempted. If this opened your perspective or gave you clarity, support the channel by liking the video and subscribing. And I want to hear from you. Which passive income idea are you most interested in trying first? Comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.